Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, finally. Please ignore my dogs. I'm a little bit sick, so sorry if you hear me cough a little bit. And I was originally trying to make this video yesterday, but things happened. Oh, well, it's because I went to see BTS movie yesterday, and oh my gosh, it was so amazing. I cried, I teared up. But yeah, I am recording this with my phone because my brother decided to sell our iPad. So yeah, hopefully this works. This setup took so long, well, to put my phone out. But yeah, so as you can tell by the title, this is BTS, I think 9th single. They're for the Japanese album Fake Love Airplane Part 2, and I got the bundle edition on CDJAPAN. I'll open it while I'll say some stuff. But let's see, this cost me a total of $74.79. Let's see, it released November 7th. I pre-ordered on September 12th. It ships November 5th and got here by November 13th. They did have the Universal Japan one, proxy shipping, and that comes with the original box. It comes, the CDs comes in, and what was it? The changing jacket photos, where you could change the covers of the CDs to different members' pictures. And then also, if you're in the fan club in Japan, you'll also, if you order from there, I think you'll get extra album and also free photo cards. But yeah, I didn't order the proxy one, Universal, because it was too expensive, and for the fan club one, I'm not in. But oh my gosh, I love their boxing. It's so pretty. I think I opened it too far. Oops. Oh well. Okay. I have the poster. I can't really see what I'm doing. Okay. That's this. Oh my god, here they are. They're so pretty. Okay. Here's these two. Oh no, I can see everything. And then here are these two. I'm pretty sure I know what these. This is type A, regular edition. So let's unbox this one first. Where do they? This Oh no. There's a little scan. You can scan a code right there. Okay, now let's open this thing. Oh, it's so pretty. My dog's scratching herself, if you're wondering why she's making that noise. On the side. Can you see it? It's so pretty. We'll get the CD. Track list, Fake Love, Airplane Part 2, Idol, Fake Love, Remix, Japanese remix. Oh my god. And what's that? Lyrics is Fake Love. Is content. Airplane Part 2 lyrics. And Idol lyrics. Oh my god, dude, that's sad. I've got. Okay, and that was all of the regular version. Regular album. This one is type A. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's coming out. You're not. Wait. There's a little tape. It got ripped. This. And here it is, type A edition. I think the sides are all the same. Pretty sure. The CD. Same as the first one. And on the back is the DVD. Oh my god, it looks like a book. Airplane Part 2, music video, and Fake Love music video. And then let's take this out. They're so pretty. Oh, they're so handsome. Oh. It's the same thing, lyrics. Okay, and that was it for this one. Okay, so let's see. I think this one is type B. Let me get this one. Oh, yeah, right here. one. I'm sorry, I keep changing my position. This one is type, I just realized it says right here. This one's type B. Let's open it. Let's take this one out. Here's this. The sticker on the label. Oh, that popped off. Here's the cover. Oh. I like their outfits. They look so good. Side and then the back. Is this type C? Yeah. Okay. CD. I'm not gonna take this one out because it's the same thing as the others. And then DVD on the back. This one is different. I mean, it's like the same design. Oh, I say. But it just has the making of Airplane Part 2 and making of jacket photos. So that's the only difference. It's a DVD. But it just has different content. Okay. Let's take this out. Front. Back. This lyrics. Sorry, I kind of like just woke up to do this. And then this is type C. Let's open it. Oh crap. Stickers. Not stickers, but yeah. Okay. Ooh. Eep. So this one just comes with the CD. But the difference is that this has pictures. It's kind of like a photo book. Okay. So that's the back. This out. Lyrics. Airplane Part 2 and Idol. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Jungkook. You look so handsome. Oh my god, the stylist, thank you. V. Oh my gosh. Jimin. You look so handsome. Oh, J-Hope. Oh my god. Jin. brother handsome. Yoongi, he's so cute. RM, Namjoon, our leader. Oh my gosh, look. He looks so good in glasses. Jimin. J-Hope. Jin. Yoongi. And RM. Oh, they all look so good. And that was it. And that was all the unboxing. I'm just kidding. I still have to show you guys the posters. Or just one poster. And then that will be it. So, here is the poster. They all look so pretty, so handsome, so beautiful. Let's go up close. Here's Yoongi, Jungkook, Jimin, Jin, V, RM, and J-Hope. Oh my gosh. Okay. But it's so pretty. Okay, few announcements before I end this. Oh gosh. Okay. First announcement is videos that are coming up. Videos that are coming up right now are BTS Fourth Muster DVD, Dreamcatcher's Japan single, What, and BTS Japan official fan meeting DVD. Those are videos that are coming up. Other announcements are, if you guys are following my Instagram, I am selling some albums and posters. I will be putting up a dummy card I am trading for Yoo Hyun-won. Specifically looking for her where she's wearing a red outfit. I think red gloves, I think it was. And yeah. Also, I'm looking for their Dreamcatcher's collaboration with my music taste photo book, just a photo book. If anyone is selling it, please DM me on my Instagram. And that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Sorry there is silence as always in my videos, but that's just how it is. And please subscribe, follow my Instagram, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.